Proceeding to the next part of the lab. In the last part we implemented this De Morgan's law, and now we have a function. We have three functions actually. The first one is x plus y z, second one is not of a and b or not of c and d, and then third one is not of a and not of b or not of c and not of d. We'll implement these three functions using Quartus and see their results. It has nothing to verify, we are only supposed to implement these functions. So we'll just copy paste the code. Going through its quick explanation, here I have declared the module. I'll just rename it to lab to avoid error, as this compilation file's name is lab. And then I have declared these four inputs, and then these are three outputs. I have not declared here, I have just written down all these inputs and outputs in the bracket, and then here I have declared that first four are inputs and these next three are outputs, and then at each output I have assigned a function. For first function I have written its respective equation, for second function I have written down its equation, and for third function I have written down its equation, and then at the end, to finish the program, I have written end module. Now we'll simply run the program and see if it works. Okay, compilation was successful with 0 errors, and we'll see its RTL view. This is how we get the RTL view of equations we entered. Now this is for first equation, this is for second equation, and this is for third equation, the outputs, and these are the respective circuits. And then to get the waveform view of our functions, we'll go to new, then click university program VWF, okay, and then insert node finder, list, insert all, okay, and okay again, ABCD for second third, it's placed right, and now we'll assign each value a clock. We will start with a small clock because we have 4 values, so we are starting with 25, and then we'll give it 50, and here we are supposed to give it 100, and then we'll give it 200. Now we'll simply run the simulation, yes, and see the waveform, yes, and okay. So this is the final waveform. This one is for first function, this waveform, this is for the second function, and this is for the third function. And using Quartus we have got these waveforms. This was all for this part of the lab, and now we'll proceed to the next part.